audio to speak of. I'm sick of the Twitch soundtrack. Okay. Oh, just with the stupid Hatsune Miku playlist. Ooh, Taipei. Oh yeah, I should want the Taipei. Wait, no reason.
Sorry, senpai, I bit your head.
I shouldn't play that. That's straight copyright. Potato ni natte iku. Okay. What do I want to get done today? Oh, maybe that's how I did it. Oh, Jesus Christ, this is impossible. Man, okay, whatever. I don't care. I guess I'll just get inspiration from Holokiller real quick again. you mean, man? Oh yeah, I'm not using this. I honestly don't remember. I don't think I ever fixed that bug. Why is it so laggy? There's no way it's because of this stupid file transfer thing. It is, dude. What the hell? Man, I wanna fucking download Lyra. Oh, this doesn't tell me anything. But, frick is this? Screw the group penalty. How does this bullshit work again? Why is this text different? That's why. Is there gonna make like the buttons the same size maybe? Because that would be cool. Oh my. I don't understand. This is bullshit. This looks so much better, man. I don't... This is even like centered as much as I wanted to. Oh my god, why does it take so long? I don't want to watch a 2-hour video just to learn how to do this. What? They have constraints now? God damn it. Alright, now I'm looking for, and I probably don't have the stuff I need to do all this stuff. Oh. Ugh. 5 hours. Jesus Christ. Um, what? What? Do I need to subclass this and then toss it in here, or like what? Why is there no guide for this?
Need your game to do. In my case, a player controller specific to the front end screen is going to do just fine. So, create widget. We'll do UI base, and we'll use self as the only player.
Activatable
Widget classes. The one I want is common activatable widget. The one I want is common.
Okay, I should probably switch to common activatable widget. Cool. I think I did this the wrong one. Does this fuck with anything? It seemed like it. I don't know why It lags a shit ton when this opens though. Am I calling something weird in here?
Common activatable widget. And try out how it works with that. And we lose focus for the main menu, so we have to actually reset that. Nope, no super easy way of doing that. And actually, we need a horizontal block. Trying to figure our menu. When we call up the prompt, we're going to function here. Who owns the prompt? But what we do, that's just a really quick, straightforward way of getting a box. So that's roughly where I would like.
Should I do this? What do they do? It's fucking.
Stick that in the vertical box there. Vertical box again. Screen roughly where I would like it. I think I can find a better way of laying it out like this, but a box with our menu. Target. It will highlight the yes button. And what else do we need to do? We need a method for setting the information for this prompt. So I will send it the something set in base menu as of just into we're gonna prompt is make the owner we are just going to call a special function in here. Although actually, I've done a silly thing. I should actually not be using activatable widget for this. I should be using
Why is it not aligned, dude?
I should be using my main menu here. I could solve this by using an interface, or by creating a base menu class and using that as the prompt owner instead of what I'm doing here. I'm kind of taking a few too many shortcuts, if I'm being honest. But set the prompt owner, then let's go back to the main menu. Go back to its event graph. Trigger prompt action, or let's call it on prompt confirm. And we will add an index value here. And what this will do is, so if your menu has multiple different things that prompts could potentially do, like there's a quit button, apply settings, that sort of thing, and all of them are set to a generic prompt like this. One shortcut around doing delegates and things like that.
Is it lagging or am I going insane?
I'm getting all muddled up. Using an index like this to...
Alright, it looks like my code is in performance,
so we're going
which
to say that this
makes
one
sense.
will be the quit game function. So basically it will open the prompt, ask if we want to confirm, it will send this index value 0 as the function that we want to use, and then it will quit the game. And if we did apply settings and set that index to 1, we could do that. You could do this with an enum as well, but that would assume that you have specific names you want for these. This isn't the most elegant way of doing this. The most elegant way of doing this is passing a delegate and just forgetting these two variables altogether. But it's a little bit iffy trying to do that through Blueprint. They've got event dispatchers, and I can find dispatchers. I wonder if there's a specific pattern of event dispatchers I could use here, but it's definitely one of those things that's easier in C++, where you can just say the confirm prompt function or the confirm quit prompt function, like specific functions for your prompt to trigger. That's the one that I want to pass as a parameter here. Though actually, maybe we can cheat. Let's see if we can cheat. Let's see, I need to get the player controller. Get the owning player controller, rather. Cast this to my front-end controller. Now I've got access to its functions. And nope, no super easy way of doing that function signature. The cheat I'm thinking of is
how come this doesn't work?
sometimes if you click and drag this onto a function or onto an event, it will actually take this as a parameter, like as an input parameter or an output parameter.
I just
Unfortunately,
it maybe.
I don't really have that option by default, and there's probably a really good reason why you don't do that. So for right now, my method with the owning menu and index is going to be how this works.
Focuses. I don't get why.
That, you want to set the prompt text,
Those work now.
which I need to set here as a variable.
Alright, what's been going on here?
Menu and index is going to be how this works.
Nothing impressive.
With already, huh? We have been at don't have to confirm. And I'm going to do one more thing. Let's see. Gets nulled out. Like this whole with function prompt here, we need to add
Host widget target comment
some parameters to it. Text owner return the specific actually, and make one more wrapper function. Lazy is that your whole
Hello? Oh my god, initialize this. Activable. What is it? Activable widget.
now,
152.
pick that our menu throughout my game. Yep, back of it in lots of different places. On the dimensions and want to look and for controller. The way the specific to the front end screen is going to do it. We'll use self as the view to it. Sure that this is something that can work. Yep, it looks like it. There's not a whole lot that I need to do. I could see. Let's double check this for a moment to make sure that this is something that can work. Yep, it looks like it. There's not a whole lot that I need to do. I could do like a get to fetch the stack and just push the menu that way, but it's better to actually have a base menu function, the function here. Got our style applied. Whoops, didn't want to do set. Hit. Next, I enter in for, then I'm going to button. Use pipe set it things. Thing that I feel like I want to do here is I'm going to take this vertical box thing and on top of each lift a topmost item and brings you back down to the next element, and so you pop things until you get back to nothing, and that's basically how a stack works. The thing on top is the thing that is most important and that you most want to use.
Oh,
There
the
is
stacks in the
also
fucking
a
UI.
common
Oh,
activatable
shit.
widget queue, but I think you're a little bit less likely to use that. That's a situation where when you want to pop something off of it, instead of popping the topmost item, it will pop the bottommost item. But basically, I'm going to use an activatable widget stack as my menu stack, and whenever I summon a new menu, I'm going to put it in there, and I'm going to set the horizontal and vertical alignments to fill the entire screen, and that's basically going to be it for that. And I noticed that those are under uncategorized. Yeah, there's a couple of them here that are not categorized, including the common video player. I'm going to add another activatable widget stack into this, and I'm going to call it prompt stack. This is going to be a separate stack for overlaid prompts, because what it'll tend to do is when you push a menu onto the stack.
Hey, this Modries, just saw your message. Fortunately, I can't really teach because I'm learning at the same time, so I don't have much.
So we have this separate stack sideways of it.
Currently watching a tutorial video and just copying over what it's doing. Right now, I'm just trying to make it so
pop-up prompt.
hopefully this should just work
We're
right
gonna do that quick little yes/no prompt for this. So
Cool.
now we need a couple of methods that we can access to actually use these. I'm gonna make a couple of custom events. Push menu. Push prompt. And what that will do.
Please just work. Interesting. It works. Basically, I'm just trying to make a pop-up work on this UI right now. Just
It will
this.
act
all
as
I
a
have to
kind
do.
of gateway for pushing things onto these two stacks. They're just kind of convenient.
Oh, the pop stack after. That's
wrapper functions.
interesting. Oh, I need the parrot.
Now,
How
there's
does
not a
he
whole
set
lot
the
we can
parrot?
do with this without actually having menus to push. So we're actually going to come back to this in our menu. Way kind of showing We should be good to go with this thing.
Prompt owner.
So we should.
Alright, so he sets it from. Okay, so it's just from construction. Lame. Why does he do this all in Minecraft, anyways? Oh shit. Oh shit, I didn't know it was you, Cray. It's not. It's. These red nodes are basically just functions. Although, I guess like Unreal uses them for some other stuff. Like this gets called every frame, and then this gets called on like the mouse touches something in the UI. But basically, it's it's also more going from like regular coding to visual scripting is weird. But this is just like the entry point of this button getting clicked. And then it calls these functions after. So I mean, like this looks like each of these is a function, and then even though it uses like this red node, it's the same thing as a function. Okay. Now that I have the parent, I can pop stack. Wait, no. Stack. Thanks for the follow. Oh yeah, cast fuck. Ooh, that's gonna be bad later. Pop.
Could be good to go with this thing. We just have to actually
Push widgets. Remove widgets? Yeah, if I don't know why I can't click onto this, but usually like all of these just call into C++ code in the Unreal source. I don't know why it's not. I think I didn't download my source files correctly. But yeah, it's just a shorthand to call into these without having to type them out, which is kind of nice. Alright, please work. I want to go to sleep. Fuck. How long have you know? Hey, why does it fade out like that? Oh shit. Of course there's focus issues. Okay, it works. That's cool. How do I get focused back on the... This stupid controller support's so annoying. If this was only a mouse, I'd be done right now. Oop. Why'd that take so long? Pulled my ass. This thing takes so long to open. Curious what happens if I try to... Oh shit, I should cast the parent. That did not do what I thought it would. Oh, it doesn't have a parent. Weird. How come I faded? Alright, that doesn't work as well as I thought it would. Alright, I'll just do this last focusing thing and then go to sleep.
Actually, way. So, visibility, and everything is base D-top. Projects, let's try that again. Project settings.
What?
Input, demo game input data, confirm and cancel. Did I not set up disable? There we go.
On close prompt on widget. That's widget deactivate. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. nasty. Okay. Of course this doesn't... Oh my... There's still tons of bugs in it, fuck! Alright, now this works perfectly for controller but not for keyboard. Very cool. Does it take that long to write to the data? It like skips like 3 frames when I hit the close button. Jesus, man. Okay. What size is this? Something. Sounds familiar. Alright, hitting escape while on. So how come I'm able to do that? Does it not block the input? Oh, fuck. I don't want to check for this. I need to do anything else really? Alright, I'm gonna start working on gameplay after this. So whatever gameplay task it is gonna take a while. That's fine. I'll just do it over 2 weeks instead. Oh, alright. Good night, Gray, if you're still watching. Thanks for following. Oh, it's Spectrum following me, not Gray. Oops. Why does it unpull itself after, like, if it's... Alright, this game will be amusing at the least once I get it up and running. So reading this camera sensitivity thing isn't even working. Fuck. Cool. Wait, his value is literally getting saved though. Where? What? Like, if I quit the game right now, it's gonna be there. Okay, it doesn't. I'll have to check what's going on over there then. Cool. Alright, good night.